ask you to point on your weakest part. Would you say it's vocabulary? Is it pronunciation? Is it grammar? Is it expressions? What do you think you're missing?
Maybe pronunciation and grammar.
Pronunciation and grammar.
Yeah, I think.
I got you. I got you. Do you have the chance to speak with others in English? Is that what you use to communicate daily?
Yeah.
Really? So you've started thinking in English already. You don't think in Amharic and translate it to English.
Yeah, currently we are thinking with English and the Swedish. Sometimes Amharic.
Oh, okay. So you're getting all these mixed up. I got you. All right. Okay. Let me start with the grammar. Maybe I can help you out with some expressions. First one. Are you a mother?
No.
All right. Are you a student?
Yeah.
And a wife?
Yeah.
And you have a job?
Yeah.
All right. Nice. What am I doing right now? What am I doing? Come on. You've never seen them in circus? They'd be like,
I saw that, but I don't know in English.
what's the first word that comes to your mind when you see this?
Throwing, you throw something. I know it's not throwing, but I don't know the exact.
Yeah, okay. They're telling you in the comment. You can cheat for this
No,
one.
no.
It's called.
I can't see. By the way, I can't see the comment. I can't see because I'm
Okay.
seeing you.
That's nice.
I don't know.
I'm only and I'm only going to see you too. Okay. The word is juggle.
Okay.
Juggle. Can you say it?
Juggle.
Very good.
Juggle.
So yeah. So okay, now we're gonna use it metaphorically. Metaphorically means not directly. Okay. So now I'm telling you, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a TikToker, I'm a businessman, and I'm an English teacher. So you ask me, how do you
Juggle.
exactly say it again? Yeah.
How do you juggle?
All this, all these. Say. How do you
Okay.
juggle all these? Say it again.
How do you juggle all this?
Exactly. It means how do you do all these at once, you know? Because when you juggle, you're throwing everything out at the same time, right? So this is a type of expression that can make your English sound more natural than if it sounds liberated. When it comes to your grammar, I asked you something. I asked you for how long was the speech?
Not more than 2 minutes.
No, you said something else. No, it's not that much. You said it's not that much, right? And did I ask you about your friends? I asked you
No.
about something. I forgot. I asked you about the number of the people. You said
Oh,
what?
15 to
Not.
20 people.
So you said not that much again, right?
Yeah.
Not that much. Not that much.
Not that much, yeah.
Okay, Redu. Now let's work with your grammar real quick, right? When you talk about people, 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, maybe they're 1,000. Do you say there are much people or there are many people?
Many, because we can count them.
Exactly. So instead of saying that not that much people, you're supposed to say what?
Not many people. Yeah.
Not many people. Yeah, there weren't not many people, right? Est-ce que ብዙ ጓደኛ የለኝም በይኝ?
I don't have many friends.
ከዚህም ብዙ አይደሉም በይኝ? They're not?
They're not many. They're not many.
They're not that. They're not that. They're not that.
They're not that many.
Very good. That ሲገባ ምን ያደርገዋል? እስከዚህም የሚለውን ነገር ያደርገናል ማለት ነው። ሊሚት ያደርገናል። They're not that many. Say it again.
They're not that many. They're
Come
not
on,
that
be more.
many.
Say it again. Say it again.
They're not that many.
Very good. For how long did you speak? Is it for too long? Aye. It's because ረጅም አይደለም በይኝ. Yeah.
Not that long.
Exactly. Yeah. It wasn't that long. Say it again. It wasn't that long.
It wasn't that long. Yeah.
Your friends?
I don't have that many friends.
Yeah.
I don't have
my friends.
that many.
All right.
My
All right.
friends
All right. Yeah.
are not that many.
Yeah, my friends are done. Okay, now I like that. But again, let's make it sound more natural. Instead of saying, my friends are not that many. Like, it's perfect. It's good. It's awesome. I love it. But let's make it sound more natural and polished. All right. My friends are.
My friends are not that many.
Exactly. My friends are not that many. Say it again.
My friends are not that many.
My friend, this at the baby shallow. My friends are not
My
that many.
friends are not that many. Yeah.
Yo, don't do this. Don't say friend this. Friends.
Um. Come again.
Friends. Friends.
Friends. Not
Nice.
many.
That's my
Friends.
friend this, yeah. Not yeah, my friends. My friends are not that many.
My friends are not that many.
Say this 3 times. No, 5 times. Let's make it sound more natural each time, all right? You got this. Come on. My friends are not that many.
My
Go.
friends are not that many. My
Yeah,
friends are
go.
not that many. My
Uh,
friends are not that many. My
uh,
friends are not that many. My friends are
uh.
not that many.
Thank you very much. Okay. My friends are not that many, right? እስከዚህም ቤቴ እስከዚህም ሩቅ አይደለም በኛ
Uh,
my
huh?
house
My
is
house
not
is not far. My house is not.
that
My house is not that much. No, that much far.
okay. Let me tell you this. Okay, far by itself, it's enough. So it's not that far. That's it.
My
My
house
house is
is
not
not
that far.
that far. My house is
Say it
not.
again.
My house is not that far.
مكينة يزنا كل فتاة لمبين.
My car is not that far. That's fast. Fast.
Just say it again. Say it again. Say it
My
again.
car is not that fast.
Very good.
My car
Nice.
is not that fast. Yeah.
Any يعني يكل جوبز على لمبين. Good. I'm not
I'm not that. I'm not that
good.
much good.
No, much
We
until
don't
much
use
until
much.
you don't use much.
Okay. I'm not that
Yeah.
good. I'm not that good.
I'm not that good, but I'm not that much good at team. I'll tell you when you say much right now, all right? I'm
Sure.
not that good. I'm not that good, right? እስከዚህ ሙድ አይደለም በይኝ.
It's not that expensive.
It's not that expensive. Very good. እስከዚህ ጥልቅ አይደለም በይኝ. Yeah.
It's not that deep.
Yeah, they use this in speech if you notice, right? When you tell them about, how's learning English? I don't know why they exaggerate, man. It's not that deep. Malet, it's not a big deal. It's not that deep, right? So it's
Yeah.
not that bullish. You just put the adjective, okay? The words. If you talk about something that you count, you can say not that many. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Says ጓደኞቼ እስከዛ ብዙ አይደሉም በይኝ.
What? ጓደኞቼ እስከዛ ብዙ አይደሉም? My friends are not that many.
My friends are not that many. All right, okay, nice. Okay. ክላሱ እስከዚህ ያክል ረጅም አይደለም በኛ.
The class is not that
ረጅም.
long. That long.
Exactly. Yeah, the class is not that long. Say it again.
The class is not that long.
Let's talk about the process. How's the process to come to Switzerland? Is it long?
That's not long process. That's not.
It's not that long. It's not that long. It's not that long.
It's not that long. It's not that long. Yeah.
Okay, it's not that long.
It's not that long.
Very good. Okay. Now let's talk about your love for your husband. How's your love? Okay, I'm gonna come in between. So let me change it. Your love for ice cream.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay.
No. Your love for ice cream. Do you love ice cream? Yes. It's not that man lavi barat. It's not that lavi barat.
Nah, I bought it.
So what do you say? It's not that much. Because
not
fikr
that
salam my yeah, my love for ice cream is not that much. That's it. Right?
It's not that much. Yeah.
Nice. Can you say my love for ice cream is not that much?
My love for ice cream is not that much.
Exactly. What else? Okay. How hard is the language you speak in Switzerland? They call it what?
No, Swedish.
Oh, okay.
I'm in Sweden and they speak Swedish.
All right. How hard is the language? It's not that hard by itself. Okay. If it's a verb only, you can say it's not that much.
Okay. It's not that much hard, but it's
Yes, no,
hard.
is it hard? It's not that hard. It's not that hard.
No, it's hard.
Okay, so let's see. Instead of saying it's hard, you can say it's not that hard, not it? Not few.
It's not. It's hard. It's not hard. No, it is hard.
No, it's not that hard. Say it again.
It is. It's not that hard.
That's not ብቻ few.
It is that hard.
It's that hard. ምን ማለት ነው?
ከባድ ነው እንደማለት ነው።
የዛን ያክል ነው በቃ እንደውም እሺ like you see to speak this language you have to study you have to learn 7 days for 5 hours. It's that hard. የዛን ያክል ይከብዳል ማለት ነው. So when you put not you make it negative. So not that many, not that much, not that long for time ከዛ ውጭ ያሉትን ነገሮች ግን if you don't count them then not that much ማስገባት ትችላለሽ. Except from that that's it. Get it?
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
I hope you walked away with something. What was this?
Juggle.
Juggle. Yeah. Juggle. Yeah. Thanks for staying with us. It was very nice having you. Keep working on your English. If you expose yourself more and more, it gets better.
Thank you for giving me this chance. And
I got you.
how did
Everybody,
you rate-
okay, give her flowers. My
how
English.
did you rate my English?
How did I rate it? Or okay, let me correct you with this one. ይሄን እስክነግራት ድረስ guys ይሄኛውን 50 አስገቡት ማስተካከል ትችያለሽ። አንድ ድል ስቴሽ
How do you rate it?
እስኪ ሚስት እንዴት ትገልጻታለህ በይኝ።
How do you express your wife?
እንደዚህ ሲሆን ሐሳባዊ ነገር ስለሆነ how would you say it again?
Okay, how would you express your wife? Is that
How would you explain your wife? Yeah,
okay?
how would you express your wife? You can say both, doesn't matter.
How would you rate my English?
There you go. You're a fast learner. You know where I'm going. How would I rate her English? Okay, guys, chat. First off, you're still stuck at 2 flowers. At least we need to give her 50. At least Hamza flowers. So let's go. Let's keep it going. Hamza understands. Let's appreciate her courage to come here facing the camera. She's a realist. So that's awesome. Let's keep it going. See? Yeah, people love you. You have a lot of fans right now.
Thank you.
That's good. You have great confidence. I love that. All right, keep it going. Keep it going. Whoa, there you go. They're killing you with all those flowers. You're buried there. Can you breathe?
Thank you.
Can you breathe? Okay, that's awesome. Ahun, when we go to the rating, what does the clan have to say? Clan.
What's clan?
Clan ማለት ደቦ ደቦ ነው የሆነ ፍርድ ሊሰጡ የሚችል የሆነ የትንሽዬ
ጀማው እንደማለት ነው።
ጀማ እንደማለት ነው። ጀማው ማለት ነው። ጀማው ምን ይላል? Okay, the clan.
Okay.
ስንት አላችሁ?
5 out of 10. Not fair.
Not fair.
Mercato. Not
fair. All right. 7. You got 7. You got. Oh, come on, man. I think most people are giving you 7.
I saw 0.
I said most people. Why do you have to focus on negative one?
I don't mind. Just give me your opinion.
I'm about to. I just want to make it fun and get everyone participating. It's more inclusive this way. It's more inclusive this way. They're giving you 6. They're giving you
8. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. If you put in the effort, the thing is the language is very vast. You're gonna have to work on pronunciation, blah blah. Plus, like the way that you've been taught is most of it is wrong when it comes to pronunciation, especially. So you have to relearn everything. Hey, so did you ምንድን ነው? ሽንኩርት ምንድን ነው? onion ታለሽ። እነሱ ግን onion ነው የሚሉት. Right?
Onion.
Let's go get some onions in a minute. You see?
Yeah.
Like እንደዚህ በቃ እርግጠኛ የሆንሽባቸው ቃላቶች ራሱ ይሸውዱሻል ማለት evolution ነው። evolution ነው የተማርሽው እዚህ ምናምን ነው evolve still evolve ይሉሻል። እንትን ማለት እስኪ ዋጋው ይለያያል እስኪ በይኝ the price
vary
አይሽ ቫሪ አልሽኝ። ቫሪ አይደለም
Different.
ቬሪ ነው የምትይው። ቬሪ ነው የምትይው። በቃ
Okay.
VARY ነው አይደል? The price varies from place to place ነው የምትይው። Just like this, you're gonna have to relearn a lot of pronunciations, a lot of words. So አሁን የምሰጥሽ like score እሱን ከግምት ውስጥ በማስገባት ሲሆን ኦኬ። ከሀበሻ ጋር ላዋድርሽ፣ ከሀበሻ ጋር ዋድር ደስትሽ
ደስ እንዳለ
ከሀበሻ ጋር ካዋድርኩሽ I mean, it depends. ለራሳችን የምናስቀምጥበት ስታንዳርድ ይለያያል. That's why, you know, if you're comparing yourself with the natives, that's a different story. But putting you on the same scale with most Habesha people, my rating would be I'd give you a solid 7. But I'm solid 7. እርግጥ ያለ ጋር 7 ሰጥሻለሁ.
Thank you.
Yeah, just work on your vocabulary, a little bit of pronunciation, and expressions. The language is packed with expressions. So I give her 7. Clan, was it good? Did I do it justice? Justice, right? I did it justice. Yeah. Yeah, nice. So thanks for stopping by. Take care of yourself. And if you ever need our help, you know where to find us. Have a good one. Say hi to your husband for me.
Thank you. Okay, I will say.
All right.
Bye.